Ryan, much better attendance. You printed off, sorry, you should have printed off single-sided. Take a little bit of pride in your work. Right, it's a presentation. If you were going to a job and presenting to them, is that the sort of work that you want to be portraying? You're not going to get away with it at university, so don't try it with me. Okay, I expect it well presented. There's no real description or understanding around your injury. You talked about Aaron Ramsey, and that's all I've got. Okay, you could have gone a bit more in depth on how it's actually happened. What is the injury? How has it happened? So I was a little bit disappointed with that. Great use of pictures throughout. I think there's a couple of areas that you need to look at in order to get a pass here. So the first one's co-regulation. Okay, go through that process that we looked at in lessons. You've got it all written down on that sheet. So go through it and make sure you describe each step. And again, collagen. I want you to describe what collagen is. Once you've done those two, you need to explain why those things are happening. Right. So when you get a laceration on the skin, why do platelets go to that site? Why does fibrinogen bind all those platelets together? You need to answer those questions for me. P4, describe psychological factors. I need you to describe what anger, frustration, depression and anxiety is. You haven't. You told me why it's affecting Ramsey, but not told me what those things are. When it comes to your explanation, so trying to achieve the merit now, you haven't explained hematoma or motivation. So go back and explain why those things are happening. Okay, lack of motivation, why hematoma is happening at the injury, and start giving me some examples. So why has Ramsey lost motivation? What factors are affecting that? Okay, make those changes for me, please. This is probably looking at a merit from that first attempt.